Hey, Lindsay.
Hey.
Which one? Amazon, Shopify, or your own independent site?
For me, it's not which, it's when. Launching your brand and selling with Amazon is in complement to selling elsewhere, to meet the shopper where they are in their customer journey. I mean, you wouldn't sell your products in just one store, would you? That's why selling with us is important. It gives you access to more customers, not just in your own store or site. With Amazon, the customer shopping journey is completely seamless for the customer experience end to end. From discovery to cart to purchase to checkout, to receiving the product at their door, the customer has a very seamless experience. With Shopify, if you have Buy with Prime on your website and your customer is able to check out via that experience, they're experiencing the trust and credibility of Amazon Prime. That's a similar shopping experience that they would have on Amazon.com as well. It's important to be there for the customer when they are ready to buy, and being on Amazon is a strategic part of building out a comprehensive brand growth strategy.